Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to cook bulk mint sauce today. It's great for big parties, great for appetizers, just to dip in, anything you can dip in, plain crisps, onion bhajis, sheikh kebabs and dry starters is perfect for. So we've got about 25 litres that are going to be shown. So we've got some mango chutney here, and then a couple of green chilies. It's not going to be spicy, it's only 2 green chilies, bunch of coriander, about 90 grams of lime pickle, and some sugar, about half a kg of sugar. And then you're going to blend it. So you need quite a big kind of blender just to blend it all into a liquid. So you can see we're just blending the sugar in, the coriander, so you don't get any big bits in there. It's all just going to be smooth sauce. So it's all just getting blended now really nicely. That's your base of the mint sauce, just getting ready. And then you've got yoghurt. So you're going to put some yoghurt in, around 5 kg of natural yoghurt, add it to the mix. So you're going to put some milk in, about 1 litre of milk in there. Milk and yoghurt. Now it's very important you don't put the milk and yoghurt in before you've blended it. So you've got some mint sauce. Colman's is the best we found, so I'd recommend getting Colman's mint sauce. Put the mint sauce in and then whisk it. And then you whisk it. You can see it all sort of melting in and your colours starting to form now. So you've got the light green colour coming now. Whisk it. All right, and then we're going to add some more. The reason I didn't put it all in one go is it's a bit harder to whisk, so that's why we take it in steps. You could put it all in one go, but it's just a little bit more difficult to whisk and get the mix correct. And again, that's why we're going to add more milk, a little bit more sugar in there. Sugar adds sort of according to your taste. So if you taste anything, it's not sweet enough, add a little bit more in. So again, we're whisking it thoroughly again. Really mixing the milk, the yogurt, the mint sauce all in together. And then we're adding more yogurt in there. So if it needs thickening up, add a bit more yogurt in there. And keep whisking it. You've got to whisk it again. As you can see, thoroughly whisk it. And then add a bit of sugar, a bit more. If the sauce is too thick, add more milk to make it thin. If it's too thin and it's very runny, add a bit more yogurt. But that's the base of it. Here you've got 25 litres of mint sauce there. A lovely mint sauce. So like I said, great for parties. I'm sure it'll be all right in the fridge for about a week, I believe. Thanks for subscribing, guys. Please like my videos, comment, ask me any questions. I've been asked a lot of questions. I've been trying to help as many people as I can. So yeah, cheers, guys. Don't forget to subscribe as well.